What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? Hope you're having a fantastic day. We got two stories, one question. Let's go. Our first story of the day has to do with the OnePlus Fold phone, a phone that should be out later this year and give Samsung and Google some competition in the folding market, at least here in the good old US of A. And some more information has come out about this phone. Tweet comes from Anthony the Galax saying that the OnePlus Fold will apparently have a Periscope telephoto camera and a 4800 milliamp battery. So when you get that phone, it's probably going to look a little bit more so like a Galaxy Z Fold 4 versus a Pixel Fold phone. And then the camera, I wouldn't say OnePlus hasn't improved on camera taking abilities. They have, but in terms of them being one of the better ones, that's still up for debate. But if you're going to throw in a really nice telephoto periscope camera on there, I'm all for it. Now, we've been talking about the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Flip 5 a lot over the last couple to few weeks. And it seems like the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is the one that's going to change a lot more physically than the Z Fold 5. But, as we know, that there's going to be a display, and it's going to be a bigger display on the back of the phone than previous generations of the Flip. And the Flip 5, it looks big, but there's something that potentially is going to make it look a little bit awkward. Now, this information is coming off of a tweet and a video, if you want to go to the video, from Super Rotor. And these renders that he shows off, if you look at these Galaxy Z Flip 5s pretty close, you can see that the display on the back near the cameras is not a perfect square. It actually kind of indents just below the camera. Now, I'm assuming they do that because they have to do that, not because they really are dying to make it look not completely symmetrical. It looks like a folder. If you think about the way a folder looks, like a physical folder, it's got that indent on there. That's the way this looks. Kind of weird. It doesn't look awful. I mean, I would definitely want it to be a perfect square, but what do you guys think about that? Do you like the way that looks or not? I don't know if I'm a huge fan about it. It's kind of awkward looking, but it's kind of not. I can see it both ways, but that'll be your question today. How do you like the look of the Galaxy Z Flip 5 outside display? Do you wish it was a perfect square? Do you don't mind it looking like a folder? There's some cool things I guess you could do with it since it does look like a folder. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Without further ado, let's jump on our Q&A. Our question comes from Dennis saying, I currently stay in Dubai and I'm getting a brand new sealed T-Mobile unlocked Note 20 Ultra. Question is, once I get the phone and set up everything, will I be able to receive OTA software updates on how will it work? Especially I'm here in the Middle East. Please, if anyone can share thoughts and experiences, I need your advice. I think you should still be able to receive the updates because they're just going to come over Wi-Fi and you're going to have to download it via Wi-Fi anyway. So I still am pretty sure you'll be able to get your updates. Your other piece on that is you could, and I'm not perfect at this, you could probably hack it and just replace the ROM on there to like an international ROM or something, which is not out of the question. So you could look up trying to do that. But if you're just trying to keep it the way it is, I believe you'll still get the updates even though you'll be setting that up internationally overseas. Thanks so much. If you have a question, leave it in the comments down below, #question, and we'll see you guys down the road. Peace.